Hello, welcome back. We are actually tracing this snake character. Earlier we have draw its fang. Now we need to do uh, coloring. To do this, let me look at our snake image. It looks darker here, darker color, so I will use fluid classic brush tool. Now if I go inside my head join as head symbol, we are inside our head symbol. Okay, now we need to color this, so I will use this classic brush tool and see the magic here. I will also adjust the brush size more. I think this is enough. Now coloring this, like, wow, what just happened? Why everything this is our fang, right? Did something happened? No, nothing happened. Object drawing mode, no. Paint fills only. Paint behind. Okay, paint fills only. Let me see. It is not working. Let me choose again. Paint behind. While this work? Yes, look at this. It's working great. If I go outside, it also go there. So need like this. Fang should be like so. We have colored this thing. We will select the outside fill and delete it. Now you see this, right? Now what we need to go back to evaluate what correction we needed. I will simply select eyedropper tool. For this, it has a shortcut key which is a I. Just press it one time and you will select this tool over here, eyedropper tool. Now select which color you want. So I need this color. Let me select this, and here I have selected. Now I will go back to my head symbol. And again I will going to do this thing. Okay, it is painting behind it. Let me color this. And I will select the outside, extra color and delete it. Again I'm doing coloring, sorry, paint bucket tool I don't need it. I will select classic brush tool. Now our character look like this. What next? I will simply go back and evaluate how our character looks like. It doesn't look same, so we need some adjustment. Where is our head? Let me rename this layer so we will not get confused. It is our head, right? Head symbol. This layer contains head symbol. Okay, so I will hide this again and see. Okay, so I needed some magic here. How I can achieve that thing? Let me go back. 1 minute. I will select this color here and select this selection tool and going back to our head symbol, and then I will enable wireframe mode, and I can see the detailings of the image, which is not clear visible, but it is manageable. Now on the color section, do we need something? Yes, I need low saturation, and on a properties tab, no. On a color tab, no. Where is the thing here? What I need? Yeah, in a properties panel, what I need to select tools. Okay, I will select brush tool, and then this tool selected, I will select some other thing like paint inside. Paint fills only, paint normal, paint fills only, paint selection, paint inside. Let me see that. Does it work or not? No, that is not working. I will select paint selection. I see, I need to select that thing, and you can see the magic is happening here. You can see we have colored here, right? So what we need to do is I will simply enable the wireframe mode, and then I will color this again. Let me see. Let me fix that issue. I will select this, and what is the shortcut for this? It's a B. I will press it. I will select the N V. I will press V. Then you will switch to the selection tool. I will select this fill, and again I will select. I will then press B, and again I will brush this thing, and again I will select V to change my tool. I will select B, again coloring this. It does look some weird thing, but how I can fix this? I need some reference. So I will add another layer, going here, right, and go to the file and click on the import hover your mouse here, and it will open another window like this one, and select import to stage. I think I don't need to do this. I will simply go to the library sections, and here you can see our image. Now I will simply going to drag this here, and you will see this. So what we will going to do is I will adjust its position like this one, and again I will lock this layer, so I will not go back to the original timeline, then going back inside the head sample and then start coloring this. I will repeat this cycle, and then picking colors in the main timeline, going back inside the head sample, then start coloring. Then it will, it will take a lot of time. So this will fix our issue. Now what? Sometimes we need to adjust the opacity of this color. So I have selected the B, right? B means classic brush tool, and going back to the color panel, I can change its alpha transparency. You can see, okay, it does look great. Now pressing the B button, okay, it thinks that I am in the lock layer, but we don't need to color here, right? So we will select the fang layer. Again we will start coloring this and see the magic. Come on, I will select the V, and yeah, it does have some transparency, but I was not expecting this will happen. I don't need like this thing. This result is weird. I will increase the alpha level again. Now I need to color these. Oh, I need to select that thing, then again I have to color this, right? Now see the result. Working like a charm, but I need some adjustment. How I can do this? It is not working. Guys, please give me some time. I will figure out the issue. Which one I should select? Radiant, gradient, linear. I was not expecting this. How I can achieve that effect? This is advanced setting. I will zoom in, zoom out. Everything looks fine to me. Hey, you see that thing, right? I will use eyedropper. Does it work? No. Again I will use the eyedropper. Now I have selected this thing. Now what I can do is go to the selection tool and click on here, and what I am going to do is changing its stroke color, and you will see the result here. Okay, we have achieved something like this. Can it have some shadow effect? Can I add some effects? No color. Add it to swatches, assets, properties. There is nothing. Apply scale, no. Accessibility, does it have something useful setting? No, it doesn't have any useful settings. All you have this coloring your thing. Okay, if that issue is persist, what I can do, I will select this, added a linear gradient, okay, and I will use a tool like gradient transform, and I will going to click on the edge, and I will rotate this thing. Now it does look some great. I'm very close to getting that level of achievement. I will select eyedropper tool and select this color. Oh, come on, undo. Come on, undo. Yes. Now going back, I will select this. Come on, undo, undo. Now select this. I will click on the outside and then clicking on this image. Okay, now clicking I key and then selecting this color. We have selected this successfully. Now I will just copy this hex code and going back and selecting this gradient, and you know what we need here, the same color which we have copied, and you will see that effect. Okay, we have copied this thing, right? Now I will select this lighter color and copy this hex code. Now going back and selecting this thing again, I will select this arrow and copy the hex color and you will see the magic now. Flow. Does it have some effects? I will going to again using this, then I will place it here. You will see the magic, right? Do this to all of your color. You are just applying the gradient effect, and you will see the magic. It does have some effects, right? Now we need this color, so I will just use eyedropper tool. Okay, now I will use this classic brush tool, and what I need to do, I have selected this, I need to change the brush color. So going to the properties and reducing the brush size, you will see this. Now okay, it is not painting. What we need to do is select this. Okay, it is line, pressing V. Now select this thing and start adding some details. Does it look? No, it is not look great. Again, let me see, does it have painted? No, it doesn't have, it does not painted. So again I will select classic brush tool, again I will select paint selection. Okay, it is activated. Okay, now I will select B, and what we are going to do, selecting the tool and increasing the size, and here it does look great. Now you see, we can add some star. Why it is not adding dot when I'm very the distance of the image is very long. So I will zoom out again and add some effect like this thing. I think I will achieve that. Okay, I think I have done something weird. I will fix this. I need some few dotted points, not filling. You can see it will not. Okay, now I will see that thing. Oh my god, it looks great. I love that effect. Trust me, I like it. Now we will select what? No, we will not select anything. Just going to the tool section, sorry, selecting the B, and I will select paint normal, and we will start making this dot. Sorry, we need some randomize effect. I think I will undo this. Here we have our dot, and we will also use here. Now we need this kind of thing, so I will just add something like this. Oh, come on, paint behind. I have to select paint inside. Nope, it is not working. What we can do is select these things, again pressing B, and go to the tool section and select paint selection, select, and start painting here. See, it has painted, right? But we need some effect like this. Now see the magic. Does it have some effect? I think so. Need some shading here also. I will select this color, and no, I will select these fill and start painting here. Now see the magic. Does it looks great? I can't believe this. I achieved that effect. Give me 1 minute. I need something to do. Okay, I'm back. We created our fang. Now what we will going to do is adding other things, like I will hide fang. Okay, I hide it fang. Right now I need some colorization here, so I will select this thing. Give me some more time. Oh my god, I need some more detailing. So I will reset this. Come on. Yeah. And start doing some sorry, excuse me. I will add some more detailings. Oh, what? Later on we will create this bangle details, but we need some detailings. That is why I'm doing some adjustment. Okay, that is enough. Let me paint. I will select B. No, I will just select this color here. And oh wait, sorry, I don't need to select color here. I will select here from this image. Come on, give me some time to select this color. Here I have selected. Again I will going to choose the B and start painting here. What? Didn't paint it. So I will select paint behind. Now it will color. Come on. Does it have some issue? I don't think so. I will color this thing. This is the magic is happening, and I love it. I am just using my mouse, so that is why it has some weird lining. But we can achieve that thing very easy. Now we need this golden thing. And I will choose the brush tool, classic brush tool, and start painting. Okay, I need to increase brush size like 2, and let's see this is okay or not. We need more size. Okay, now I will reduce the size. 2 is enough. I think I have to increase this size again and start painting this. Oh come on, something wrong happened. It does not show consistency. What happening here? Now if you need some taper, then you select this B options. Let me increase the taper size. Taper I need like this, and using B brush again. Okay, using this brush again. Roundness I don't need it. Now let's see. I will increase the brush size like this and start painting it. Come on, how this has happened? Does it looks okay? I think so. Now selecting this color and start painting here. Increasing the brush size. Hey, 1 second. Let me see. If this is a totally dark. Yes. Now painting. I will add just something paint inside. Okay, it does have something wrong. Paint behind. That is what we are going to do. Why using this thing, yaar? I will simply just use this paint bucket tool and paste here, and you see the result. Now I need some this color also. I will simply add gradient effect. To do so, I will just copy the hex color and again choosing the linear gradient. I will select this color and paste our color here, and you will see the magic. I will select the direction of the gradient like this. Now I have to change the color of this gradient. Now selecting this gradient and changing its color is very easy. You will see that result. How does it look great? Yeah, it is looking great to me. I will select the eyedropper tool and start painting it like this. Now I will start painting this color, choosing this color, and start doing this. Yeah, it looks great. And I will select eyedropper tool, changing okay, again I will select the eyedropper tool and put this here, put this like this. Everything is look great. Let me see the fang. How does it looks? Oh my god, it looks great. I like it. I like the effect. Sorry, this is a dramatic voice. Okay. I will select this color and start painting here. Okay, it does have some weird effect. Now I will again sorry, I will not do this thing. Simply I will add some gradient effect, linear gradient. Okay, now I will select the color, copy that color, and select this. Oh, come on, select this gradient and I will press the hex color. Now going back, I think this will achieve my goal. I will change the direction. Nope. Need some adjustment. Now I will copy this gradient, I will paste it. Now what next? I don't think I need dark. I think I will select, let me enable the fang. I will select eyedropper tool, and then I will hide this thing and start coloring. Let me undo this. Does it looks like snake? What do you say, guys? We have created our last character. It does look like snake. Let me hide this BG and you will see the result. Going back, and I will just hide this thing, and you will see that this head is looking great. Now what we need to do is draw a eye, okay, and we also have a mouth, so let me make the mouth. Again, going back to here, and we have imported another image like this. I will select eyedropper tool, and we selected this color, which looks great, right? Now I'll paste here. It does have some weird thing, but we will fix this issue. Now you can see here, right? What we need to do, some shading. Hey guys, you see this line? I think I have forgot to draw here, so I will just enable this what we called wireframe mode, and we need that BG, so I will go back and enable that BG and go inside this symbol again, and you will see that line, right? Let me draw this. Let me see how it looks. Great. Now I will enable everything, and you will see the see the character. I will again hide this image BG, and this is looking great. Now what we need to do is draw eye. To do this, I'm going to enable BG again. Revealing this layer again. Now going inside the head symbol, and I will hide everything inside this layer. We need to make this eye, so I will create a new layer which is layer 8, and again I will name this layer eye. Let's figure out the eye side. It looks left side or right side. Let me think. It is a left side, right? Okay, so I will going to name this layer left eye. Now I'm going to draw eye. So I will go to do this. I will select this line tool and start drawing this. Starting here, left eye layer is selected. Now draw this. Okay, now we need to create a symbol. So I'm going to copy this layer name, and I will simply going to press F8. It will open a pop-up menu, and I will paste that name, which is a left eye, and it is make sure that it is selected as a graphic symbol. No, I think yeah, graphic symbol is correct. Now registration point to be center, it also selected. Now hit the OK, so you will create a graphic symbol. Now go to the inside of this eye symbol and start making your eye. Okay, so what we need to do is start creating another layer. I will hide this layer. Layer 1 will hide, and start drawing again. Let me think how this is going to execute it, the plan. I think I have missed something. I need eye base, which is this, name as eye base. Okay, I have base. Eyeball, does I need, let me enable this. Yeah, eye base looks great. Okay, it doesn't looks like eye. So what I'm going to do is simply adding more lines like this one. Now it looks great to me. I will name this layer as a iris. Nope, iris is not. Eyeball. Okay, we have made our eyeball. Go back to the head layer, and what we need a layer, a sketch, which is this. I'll copy that thing and going inside our eye layer and paste it here. Going back, and our eye base looks like this. I will select this and going inside that eye base again. Now pasting this. Does it looks weird? I think so. To fix this issue, we need this to copy this hex key and create a radial gradient. Change that color, and we will see that thing. I will select that color. Okay, I will undo this. I will select that color. Nope, it is not working. I have selected that color. Now I will select this and paste it. Let's see the result. Undo. And again I will select this and paste here. Why the has some weird things. So select this. Nope. Now, does it looks great? I think so. I will create another layer and I will call this eye base eye blink. Eye blink. Now hide everything. And visible this eye blink layer. Add some extra things, lining, and I will adjust like this. Okay, it's looking great to me. I will just also adjust extra here. I will add another line like this and I will adjust line like this, and where is that image? Going back, selecting that color, going back to this eye, left eye, and simply putting that color like this. Now we need some keyframes. Pressing F5. Now 60 30. Nope. 50. I will select 10. No. I will select here and in eye blink base I will insert a keyframe here and 1 2 3 1 2 3. I will also add a keyframe here. Now let's see. This is our eye blink. Okay, I will copy that thing and paste here. I'm going to get that result. Now you see the eye blink. Now what we need is let me see that settings, what we call this highlights, screen mode. I'm searching for a settings, I don't know what it's called. I think in insert, no, modifying, bitmap, symbol, shape. Okay, shape. Now advanced smooth, advanced red. Edit shape hint. Okay, I found it. Let me insert a shape tween. Now inserting a shape tween. I think it's working great. Look at that animation. Now enabling all of this, I will add some extra features, which is selecting this eyeball, copying this, and I will convert this layer into symbol. Now pressing F8, Ctrl plus V, and simply changing it to movie clip, because we need a glow effect. Now I have selected this, and if I go to if I select this movie symbol and go to the asset, properties, I can add some filters. I will select glow, gradient glow. Glowing effect, golden effect. I can change its positions. Now I can also add some features like glow effect, and if I have selected that thing, I will select the inner glow and I will change the color, which is definitely golden color. Quality should be high. Yeah, you see that? Let me see that. Okay, everything is working fine. Now I need to go inside and I have to delete that stroke. Now go back and you will see the effect. Does it look great? I think so. It's looking great. And I will add extra layer. Yeah, I think 3 seconds is enough for another eye blink. And hit the F5 button. We have created our eye blink. Let's see how it's played. Let me add a looping and increase this range. We have increased that range. Now see that animation. It's awesome, right? We have just created eye blink. Let me show you the complete animation first. So we will just disable this loop feature and go back to our character. Look, it's great, right? Now we have to make 30 seconds frame. So I will create F5. Then you will see this. Now I will go back to main timeline and I will also increase our frame, and you can see this. Now I will hide this image. Okay, it is showing here, but I can also disable this. Let me play that animation. I will add some loop feature, and again I will play this. The animation is working great. Now I will going to disable this. I will do this same stuff here. We need eye here. Okay, I think something happened, and I'll remove this by clicking right and remove frames. It will remove everything. I'll go inside this, and also I will remove the layer here. Remove frames. Now I have shown you the eye blink, how it's working. It's great, right? Now I'll go back to our left eye. We need our BG. Going back to the back to the our symbol, head symbol. We have created this snake. Let me see that eye blink again. It is working great, 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 great. Now I will replicate this eye on the right side. So we just need another eye here. I will hide everything. Okay, first of all, let me visible this BG again, and I will double tap and going inside this head symbol. Oh come on, something weird happened. I will undo this. Now I will hide everything, just visibling this eye. This is visible. Let's draw our eye again with a new layer. I will name this layer as a right eye, so we will not get confused. Start making line again. 1 minute. It does look like eye to me. Okay, we need some adjustment. So I will start with this small portion like this. Now what we are going to do is converting this layer into symbol. So I will copy this layer and I will duplicate this. No, I will not duplicate. I will select this and going and making this as a symbol. I need graphic symbol, and I will going to hit OK, and you will create this awesome thing. This is going to be our base. Inside I'll call this base. Now go back and enable this left eye, or we'll copy this let me fix some issue. I think I need to fix come on, something weird happened. Let me undo this. Let's see. Wow. I am going to manually adjust that issue. Yeah, the problem is fixed. Now I need that gradient effect here. I will just copy it and go back, and I will replicate this thing in our right eye. See the replicate effect. Now we needed eyeball, so let me made. I will just going to hide this again. I will create a new layer and start drawing eyeball. Going back and selecting this eyeball. Let me rename this as a eyeball. Right, I will select this and copy this. Going back, head, I'm inside head. Right, I will select these, going inside and pasting this. I will make renaming it eyeball. I will copy this and pressing F8 again and converting naming this eyeball, and we need now a movie clip so we can achieve that effect. Hitting OK. Okay, we need to make some changes. I will name this eyeball 2. Okay. Now we have simply created our eyeball. Now going back and copy that effect from here. What we have added, a glowing effect, a gradient glow. Gradient glow is a totally yellow, and glow effect also is a totally yellow. Now going back, I will select here and come on, this is none. I will add some filters, need a glow effect, I need inner glowing, and I need yellow. Does it look great? I will select high quality. Now I will add some other effect like gradient glow, and I need this color to be yellow, and see, does it look great? I'll go inside this layer and I will select only this strokes and going to delete this. Come on, just something happened. Okay, it had some color. Going back, I think I need some adjustment. I will select eyedropper tool, select that color, and going back to where we are, going to the color, we don't need, yeah, radiant glow is enough. I'll select this and color it. I'll see the effect. Everything looks great. Now I need eye blink base. What we name that thing? Let me check again. It's named eye blink. Okay. I will go inside this layer. I will hide everything. I will create another layer. Come on, undo this and add another layer and name it eye blink. Array, wrong spelling. No, it's correct. Now what we need to do, simply draw a line here like this and do some curvy line. I will adjust it and also I will draw a line again like this, some curvy line here also. Now it looks great. Let me see that how it looks when we actually do eye blink. Okay, no issue. Now I will go back and select that color and then I will go back our eye blink setup like this and I will color this, fill a color. It looks great, right? Now I will enable this. What I need to do is some changes. like this and this. Looking great, right? So what we need to do is add eye blink animation. So I will again use, let me see again, sorry, going back inside, how much needed? 1 second animation. I'll go inside, anything, right? Everything is okay, right? Everything. Now I will press F5. It will create frames. Okay, now I'll go back and see the time in here. It's 15 frames and I will count from here 1 2 3. Okay, I will go back and start doing this. I will going to replicate this again. So I will count this here 1 2 3. Here we need a keyframe, so I will just add a keyframe by clicking this button, insert a keyframe. Okay, we have just created a keyframe. Now we will again count here 1 2 3. Now adding a keyframe again. Okay, now what we need to do, eye blink. Simply I will just make a curvy line here. Okay, now you can see, right? I will just going to copy this keyframe to here. To do this, I will hold Alt and click and drag. Oh, sorry, it is not working. I will do again. Here it is working. Now you see that it will hold our eye for a few frames. Okay, now what we need is, I will going to enable this glowing effect and let's see. Yeah, it is working great. Now I will add some more frames. To do this, I will just going to copy this keyframe and I will going to paste it on the last of frames, which is a 30. Okay, I will select that frames, and while holding the Alt key and simply dragging it, it will copy that keyframe for us. Look, now it looks great, right? Now I will going to add another keyframes here by pressing F5. It will actually make your keyframe longer. Now it done perfectly. Now we will going to add shape twins. So I will going to select this. How you can do this is simple. Just click here and then press and hold Control and select other key like this. Now right click and edit. You can see that here it is written create a shape twin. I'm going to select this option and you can see it's created a shape twins for us, and you can see the eye blink is happening. Okay, it done perfectly fine. let's see how it looks. Okay, that animations looks great to me. Now I'm going to back. Let me reveal my character again. You see, that is my character, and I have created eye blink animation. Now what we need to do is add some shading, shade effect here. Okay, I will go again back and hide everything. I will just enable the base, and again going back, I will again enabling this background image, and I will go back inside my head symbol, and now I need to make this as a wireframe mode, and you can see clear image of our BG, right? So now what we need to do is coloring that area which is totally black. Now how we can take that color? I have simply imported that image, right? So let me find out where it is. I think this one is the image. Yes. Now I will simply use eyedropper tool. So I will press I button, and you can see I have selected that color. Now I'll select the base, and I will start coloring that particular area. So to do this, I will select the classic brush tool, and I will go to the properties section, which is located here, and then I will make some adjustment to the brush size. Now I will going to color it. Does it working? No, it is not working. So I will select it to paint normal. It selected paint behind, but I needed paint normal mode to color our this character. Let's see. Yeah, it's coloring. We see that effect. Okay, I have make some mistakes, so I will correct this. Okay, again coloring these things. I will show you the result, but first let me color this very well. I think I have made mistakes. I need to be very careful so that I will not overlap this effects. I have to be very careful. Now I will use this. Oh my god, what just happened? All works is wastage. Let me do this again. Come on. have to be perfect. Now let me reveal that effect to you, and I will visible everything, and you can see that our character is ready. I need more details. I need to make some bangles here. You can see that it has some accessories, you can see, right? So we need to add this, but first let me see how the eye blink animation is working. So what we need to do is add some keyframes here like this, and I will press the F5, so it will create this. Okay, I'll go back, and also I will add the keyframe here in the main timeline, and I have created that keyframes. Okay, now I will add some loop effect, looping, and you can see, and I will just hide this BG, and also I will do for this image, I'll go inside this head and I will find that thing, image. I'm going to hide, sorry, not hiding, I will convert this layer to the guide, and you will see that it's a tool sample, right? I don't know what we call this, but I have just simply make this layer as a guide, so it will not show in our main timeline. It will not going to show. Let me show you that. If I go back to my main timeline, you will see that image has not shown here. Let me go back. I think I have made some mistake here, so I will going to disable this, and you can see here a extra strokes, and what I'm going to do is deleting this. Now I will enable this and going back to the main timeline, and you will see these things. I will going to play that animation for you, then you can simply judge that. You can see the eye blinking animation is happening, which is great again, and we can create our animations. So now I have shown you this. I will going to show you my other characters which I have traced. Let me show you the mermaid character which I have made. Let me give you that thing. Where is that princess rigged character? Look at that thing. I will simply going to change that thing. What I'm going to change is a keyboard shortcut. Okay, it is available in the edit, and now going to the keyboard shortcuts, and I will change this default to the Adobe CC shortcuts, and I will hit OK. Now what we can do is simply give some movement. Let me show you that. The prevent need a summer helper panel to be permanently open. Go Windows extension. Okay. Now you can see that I can make some hand movement, right? I can make some animation very easy. It is very simple to make some animation in Adobe Animate CC. it is created by me. Okay, this mermaid girl, you will in future you will definitely see that animation, I mean story, I mean 2D animation. You will see she is going to be our heroine. Now we have just created a character which looks villain. Okay, it is our villain head. It is our villain, and right now I need to make its body parts. I have just created the head. Thanks for watching. I will just closing that animation, sorry, what I can say, that stopping my live stream. That's all I can say. Thanks for watching my video. In future I will continue making character tracing videos. I don't know what I'm saying, but I will continue that character on a next video because it has taken a lot of time. Bye.